Testing is the backbone of any successful AI deployment, but traditional manual testing simply can't keep up with the demands of modern AI agents. You might be able to check a few conversations manually, but covering every possible scenario? That's nearly impossible. Automated testing changes the game. With the Raia Academy simulator, you can run hundreds of test conversations in minutes, uncover issues you might never think to test manually, and provide structured feedback to guide improvements. In this lesson, we'll explore why manual testing falls short, how automated simulation works, and how Raia Academy Simulator helps you scale your testing, uncover hidden weaknesses, and build more reliable, consistent AI agents. Manual testing has 4 big limitations. It's time-consuming. Covering even basic scenarios can take hours or days. It's limited by human imagination. Testers can only think of so many possible situations. It's hard to scale. Testing hundreds of variations and edge cases manually is nearly impossible, and results are often inconsistent. 2 testers might approach the same scenario differently and get different outcomes. The result? Gaps in coverage, missed edge cases, and AI agents that perform well in a test environment but stumble in real-world use. The Raia Academy Simulator automates AI-to-AI dialogue testing. It lets you run hundreds of scenarios in minutes instead of days, uncover edge cases you'd never think to test manually, detect hallucinations, and collect structured feedback for systematic improvement. Because it's automated, you get speed, massive scenario coverage in a fraction of the time, you get consistency, every test is run the same way. And you get depth, the ability to test subtle variations, confusing phrasing, and multi-intent prompts without relying on guesswork. It's the difference between spot-checking your AI and giving it a full diagnostic scan. One of the simulator's greatest strengths is finding issues humans wouldn't think to test. It can detect misleading phrasing, prompts where ambiguous language throws off the AI. It tests multiple intents, when a user asks for 2 or more things in a single request. It challenges context switching, sudden changes in topic mid-conversation, and it probes vague inputs, slang, shorthand, or imprecise language that could confuse the AI. These are the situations that cause real-world failures. By surfacing them before deployment, the simulator helps you fix weaknesses before they impact customers. The simulator works in 4 steps. First, it simulates user queries, realistic questions based on your training materials and intent categories. Second, it lets the AI agent respond naturally without human intervention. Third, it evaluates the quality of those responses for accuracy, relevance, and completeness, with optional human review for deeper insight. Finally, it records the results and categorizes them for improvement. This structured approach ensures every test not only checks performance, but also creates actionable data for refinement. You can customize simulations to match your business needs. Run role-based scenarios for different user types: customers, managers, partners, support agents. Focus on specific topics like returns, billing, onboarding, or technical support. Adjust difficulty levels to test beginner through expert scenarios. And design edge case prompts to deliberately stress test the AI with ambiguous requests, multiple intents, or slang. Tailored scenarios make testing relevant, targeted, and effective, ensuring you're evaluating what matters most to your organization. Automated testing with the Raia Academy Simulator accelerates quality control in 3 ways. It shortens testing cycles from weeks to hours. It increases coverage, letting you test thousands of scenarios across multiple user types and intents. And it improves agent intelligence by feeding back findings for continuous learning. You can also integrate human review into the loop for optimal results, letting automation handle the scale while humans provide nuanced judgment. Typical results from organizations using the Raia Academy Simulator include 10x faster testing speed, 95% test coverage, and detection of 87% of issues before they reach customers. Beyond the numbers, the real value is confidence, knowing your AI has been tested across thousands of variations, that blind spots have been addressed, and that performance will be more consistent in production. With automated simulation, you're not guessing about your AI's readiness. You're proving it.